welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. These are possibly the most fantastic wire connectors ever. They allow you to join two wires together, watertight, shrink wrap, solder joint, piece of cake. Let's do it. The first thing we need to decide is what size we are going to use. I'm just basically replacing one of these 9-volt battery terminals, and they have a very small diameter wire. Amazingly, these very finest white ones go through there. And you just need to be able to bring it in such that the wire goes where that solder piece is. And then you bring another wire from the other side, heat it, it shrink wraps each end and solders the center. So you got the wires crossing where the solder joint is. We're going to heat up the ends, which will tighten it up, shrink wrap it, make it waterproof. Oh, there goes the solder. Heat it from this side so you can see it. And that's all you got to do. Now you've got a waterproof soldered connection. Okay, let's do it again. Again, here's the wire. I'm going to bring it so it's like that. Advance it through there. So the wires are now crossing where the solder joint is. Put a little heat on it. Not too much. Shrink wrap the ends. And then again, right in the center, off that solder. And you've got a waterproof soldered connection. Can't beat it. There it is. Okay, just to prove that solder joint works, I've got the 9-volt battery. This is a squirrel-proof feeder. You turn it on, you can hear it working. It's got a great connection. These solder connections work great. So this is the package they come in. They come by a variety of names. This is the name for this one, but there are many other types. I find these on Amazon. They're inexpensive, but boy, they're fantastic, and they come again in 4 sizes. They work great. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Consider subscribing. Please click like. Comments are welcome. Thank you very much.